Candles, Heikin-Ashi, line charts, step charts. TradingView has over a dozen chart types, and switching between them can completely change how you read price action. I'm Isaiah from the Investor Center, and today I'm going to show you how to change your chart type in seconds. If you're also looking for the best brokers to use TradingView, links are down in the description. Some of our top picks will get you 3 months TradingView Premium free on deposit. So by default, when you first come onto your TradingView charts, your candles will be standard Japanese candles. For some people, this is completely fine. I do personally prefer them, but sometimes there is a need for you to view price action in a different way, or some people just like to view it in a different way, full stop. All you need to do to change the chart layout is to come up to the top here and you will see the candles tab. Once you click on it, it will open up all of these different options. One of the ones that I personally like to use when I'm plotting out key levels to cut out some of the visual noise is the line chart. So as you can see, all you have is, the straight ups and downs on the closes of each candle rather than seeing the entire candle. And I find this a lot easier to find key levels of support and resistance. Some people prefer to use something like hollow candles, which is almost exactly the same. It just visually changes things a little bit, and some people find it a bit easier to read. If you actually have TradingView Premium, then you can also use volume candles, which not only show you the size of the candle in terms of where price has gone, but also how wide they are determines how much volume there was in that specific move. So regardless of how you prefer to actually see price action on the charts, it is likely that TradingView has an option out there for you. So now you know how to change your chart type on TradingView. If you found this video useful, subscribing genuinely helps us keep making this content. I'll see you in the next one.